So if you want to learn how to track prices on StockX in 2026, yeah, this is the full beginner-friendly guide to follow market trends and find the best time to buy or sell. First, open StockX on your browser or app and sign into your account so you can save items and track prices properly. Next, use the search bar to find the sneaker, streetwear, or item you want to track. Now, click on the product to open its full page. This is where you'll see all price data and market history. Here you'll see a price chart showing how the item's value changes over time. This helps you know if prices are going up or down. Now check the highest bid and lowest ask. This shows what buyers are willing to pay and what sellers are asking right now. Next, select different sizes because prices can change depending on size demand. Some sizes are more expensive than others. Now click the watch or favorite button to track the item. StockX will notify you when prices change. You can also check past sales to see what people actually paid recently. This helps you avoid overpaying or underselling. Finally, watch how prices move over days or weeks. If demand is rising, prices usually go up fast. And that's it. That's how you track prices on StockX step by step in 2026.